Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
I'm highly disappointed of Nigerian government because the Nigerian government were highly disappointed in them due to foreseen circumstances. Definitely, I'm one of those people approving. People should die in coronavirus is more better than people should die in hungers. Hunger kills more than coronavirus because some people are less privileged. Due to foreseen circumstances that I said it.
Hello country people, Nigeria people, how una dey today? Yes, it's still your girl Lollipop, and you know I told you this. See, anything that is happening around us in Nigeria, let's just laugh it off. Now is not the time to be. Don't be too serious this time around. You have to laugh, because if you are too serious, high blood pressure is real. Guys, I need you to watch this video. It is only in Nigeria that you will see a man physically like this and very body like this, that you will see him with tribal mark like this, and he will still be greeting you, good morning, how are you doing? And it is only in Nigeria that, especially one tribe, don't let me mention the tribe, because the tribe is I'm also from the tribe, so I don't want to say anything about, but the tribe, they will not want to speak their dialect. They will always want to speak English. But now look at this man. Is it by force? No, by force to speak English. Nigeria is full of drama. Let's just laugh it up, please people. Let's laugh. Watch this video and see what I'm talking about. If you don't laugh, come and touch my nose like this. If you don't laugh. That's it, guys. Laugh.
Some people are less privileged, which they are based on daily pay, which are not even based on salaries. But our government thinks that the lockdown is the best solution to coronavirus, and proving it to an extent and to the levels of alacrity that if someone die in coronavirus, it's more efficient to die in hunger, because some people will be at indoor. There's no a way to make our own life due to foreseen circumstances. As I could have seen that some people say, comrade, can I send you a account number? Why? For what reason? The knockdown have weakened them. I said, why? The government knock you down, supposed to make a substantial product and provision for you to be at ignore. But some people say nothing more. Some are left with a most of nothing less than 21 children at home. There is no way that are going to be cope with the children. I imagine how the children will cope. And being aside, I was adding yesterday night that in Lagos, Ogun, and Abuja, a lot of armed robbery are operating. Even in my street here in Ado Ekiti, calling Okela, a lot of armed robbery and robbery. How they want to extinct things? How they want to make their life? That is the reason why we are calling the attention of the federal government and the state government to bring attention to those people in this territory, because we do not know if the government doesn't make a lot of provision as a welfare of people to stay indoor as a knock door. How are they going to be exhausted in the nearest future? Some people can die in hunger more than coronavirus disease.